Let's talk about the AWS certification for data engineers. Welcome to Certified Wednesdays, where we explore certifications to help you boost your career. So what exactly is the AWS Data Engineer Associate certification, and why should you actually do it? Now, there's a number of benefits in doing the certification. Firstly, this is a great certification to have because if you think about it, a lot of companies actually use these cloud providers to store their data. So you're more likely going to find a company using either Azure or AWS, and you being certified in the data management and data transformation tools that are available on AWS from a data engineering perspective actually gives you a great advantage from other data engineers. Now, the nice thing about the certification is that it actually covers some of the core tools that you're more likely going to use as you work within the AWS environment. So it actually sets you apart. Now, let's talk about what exactly is covered in the certification. So the certification actually covers 4 different domains which are very important. The first domain is data ingestion and transformation. Now, this is where you learn how to import data into the systems and how exactly you can transform it. The other domain that you're going to learn about is data store and management. Now, this is where you learn about the techniques of how exactly data is stored and how is data managed within those platforms. The third domain is data operations and support. Now, this is more about ensuring that the day-to-day ETL processes are actually working, and if they actually fail, and how exactly to remediate them. The good thing is that you actually get exposure to the tools that are used in doing that, which gives you some sort of practical experience. So by the time you get an interview or data engineer interview, you already have a good idea of what tools are actually used in that space. Now, the last domain that is very important for you to remember is the data security and governance. Now, this is something that is definitely required for data professionals these days, like to be able to store data securely and also to be able to implement data governance initiatives. This is actually a great add-on to your sort of experience and all of that. So I genuinely believe that if you're looking for a certification for data engineers in the AWS perspective, the Data Engineer Associate certification is the great one from AWS.